Apache 6, this is Demon 3. 4 enemy soldiers, direction 243 degrees, range 1.2 kilometers. Clear to engage.
Today's most demanding hot and high conditions limit ammunition payload, station time, and operating altitude. The rugged GE3000 answers the call for more dependable operation with added power and reduced fuel consumption. It can increase lethality by adding twice the weapons payload, enhancing helicopter maneuverability, and providing 5 times more time on station above 6,000 feet 95 degrees than its predecessor. All in an effort to provide the firepower our warfighters need, when and where they need it.